Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. This video relates to the street dogs biting, the menace of street dogs. In every day-to-day life, we are feeling the stray dogs menace. Of course, they are lower animals. They are very faithful animals. We have to normally I can't curse them, even though I go for morning walk. Lots of the so-called dogs will be following me. I don't know, I think they might have identified, or daily I have been going. They are not biting me, but they bite some new strangers, some new persons or strangers. With this, if you go to the government hospital, you don't have the vaccine. This is the main problem. So something should be done. In Hyderabad also, the boy died. It has become a sensational news. Now, Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh, in the case of Rajwinder Kaur and another versus State of Haryana, in CWP number 22904 by 2016, on 18/8/2023, held that for each bite by the dog, the state has to pay 10,000. Very stringent order by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Right, because they have been receiving the petitions right from 2016. Ultimately, they have to decide the cases. So they have decided a bunch of 160 petitions, 193 petitions like this. Regarding, they are all relating to the incidents involving stray and wild dog so-called beating, dealing with the so-called dog bites. Right. Justice Vinod S. Bharadwaj observed that, no doubt, notwithstanding that large number of cases being reported, please remember, the state has shown no inclination to address the issue. Therefore, he has given the following guidelines. Guidelines to the police were given. Number 1, on receipt of information relating to the accident due to stray or wild animals or dogs, SHO shall get a diary entry without any due delay. Of course, they can't reach the case because if any animal commits an offense, you can't fix up the animal. But anyway, they have to make a DD entry, that is GD entry. So general diary is a record to be maintained in the police station as per section 44 of the so-called Police Act 1861. It mandates, it stipulates that the police have to maintain a diary, which is called the general diary, wherein the day-to-day, hour-to-hour incidents, they should be noted. So that entry should be made. Number 1. Number 2, the police officer shall verify the claim. So simply, he should not act as a post office. They have to verify the claim. They have to record the statement of witnesses, and they have to prepare the site plan, and also they have to mention the summary. This is nothing but investigation. They have to do a part of the investigation, even though it's not a FIR. Then, a copy of the above report should be given to the claimant. The person who claimed, he has to be equipped with a copy of the report. Then, the above report should be prepared within 30 days of the receipt of such information. Suppose today, that is on 16/11/2023, if the police officer received the information, so before 15/12/2023, he has to prepare the report. So please remember, the DGPs and SPs of the whole state, they should give instructions to the concerned police department. Okay. Now, who will decide the claim? Who will decide the compensation? For this purpose, also the Honorable Court appointed a committee. The committee consisting of the SP of the district or the DSP traffic. Please remember, DSP traffic. Then Sub-divisional police magistrate. Sub-divisional magistrate means, who is sub-divisional magistrate? RDO, Revenue Divisional Officer. He is one of the members. Then the district transport officer. Here we call them as or regional transport officer or deputy commissioner transport officer, Madam Sushila or somebody is there in Mongol. Likewise, then representative of the chief medical officer, because they have to decide which type of injury is caused, whether it is dangerous or not. So these 5 members will they will be forming as the committee and they will decide the compensation. So please remember. And here the legal point is, mainly I have emphasized, or I am making this video only for this point. The legal point is strict liability on the part of the state. Strict liability on the part of the state. Whether the dog is ferocious, whether the dog is wild, whether the person has incited the dog, all these things are not taken into account of. Only thing is, whenever any injury is caused by, whenever any bite is caused by the stray dog, the state is strictly liable. You might remember Rylands versus Fletcher case. Strictly liable to pay the damages. Because please remember, the authority is the state, the municipality, maybe the municipality. The state can pay the fine and compensate it from the local municipality. Otherwise, people can't be fed to fend for themselves for the failure of the state. The state is strictly liable, right? So this is the very good decision given by the Honorable High Court of Punjab and Haryana by Justice Bharadwaj. So please read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.